my channel. If you're new here, you're watching Love Joe, and today we're going to be doing a Micas review. So yeah, so basically my whole thing, like with these new review processes that I'm doing, I'm just trying some new like boutiques, like store fronts or whatever, just so you guys won't have to. So yeah, I don't know, I'm stepping away from the Pretty Little Things and the Zaras and the Sheins, you know, the old reliables, and I'm taking a walk out on faith and just, you know, getting some more clothes from different companies. So the first company I decided to try was Micas. So yeah, I'm gonna break down everything. So basically they can get 10 points, right? So they can get 10 points. I feel like, let me move over this way a little bit. So they get 10 points, right? So there are 5 categories. There is let me I got my notepad. So it could be out of, it's 10 points possible, right? It's either you got it or you don't. 0, 1, or 2. Yeah, it's 10 points possible. So 0, 1, or 2 being the highest. So we're gonna do quality, price, the website, like how easy is it to shop on the website, does everything work, and stuff like that. And then lastly, it's gonna be packaging and then shipping time, right? So I limit myself to how much I want to spend on, you know, like new websites. So I limited myself to $150. For this, I spent $152 for everything that I got today. So yeah, so basically let's start at the beginning. So the website. So the website was pretty easy to navigate. I'm gonna put a little thing like right here just to show you guys the website. So it's gonna be like over here. I'm gonna just show you guys the website, really, like, so you guys can see like how easy it was to navigate. The website was really good, like, to navigate, but I have to deduct points for the website because their discount codes didn't work. So just beware of that. The discount codes that they had on the website, they didn't work. So I have to deduct a point for that. So right now, Micas has 1 point for their website. So I took off a point because their discount codes didn't work. So right now they only have 1 out of 10 points. The next thing would be really the shipping. The shipping, I got express shipping, and you know express shipping is about 5 to 7 days. It took my stuff, I would say, I think it took my things about maybe 10 days to get to me. So yeah, the express shipping was a lie. So I have to take off like another point for like shipping. And then I will like show you guys like the tracking details because it did get like really weird. I took a screenshot on my phone, but basically what happened was my stuff got shipped to Illinois, and then it got shipped back to China, and then got shipped back to Illinois, and I just thought that was like really weird. So the shipping, I didn't like that. Actually, I think I want to give the shipping 0 points. Not just because of like how long it took to get to me, but just because when I pressed, like, I'm gonna show you guys, right, without exposing myself, I'm gonna try to show you guys what I'm talking about. This is my shipping confirmation, right? So I'm gonna start screen recording. And basically when you look at this, you would think that you would be able to click on the tracking number, click on the shipping number, and like things would just it would just, you know, redirect, but it doesn't redirect you. So it doesn't redirect. So basically I would have to go all the way out of here and then go into the Micas. Basically I would have to go into the Micas website, put in my order number, and then it still wouldn't track it, because then I had to download another app. I had to download Shop to track my items, and I just feel like I shouldn't have to download another app to track my items, right? It's just very confusing, and I didn't like that at all. So shipping gets a 0. Next is the packaging. The packaging is just, you know, standard regular packaging. Like, it's just a bag. So like, I guess like the packaging, I guess I'll give it a 2, because, you know, it's just, you know, standard like packaging. Like, that's how most stuff comes. So I think it's pretty okay. And then the price, everything was like really pretty affordable. It gave like, I don't know if you shop on like Fashion Nova or Pretty Little Thing, it was around that range for the price. So for price, I'll give it 2 points also, because it was very affordable. And then the next and last thing that we're gonna do is the quality of the clothing. So I'm gonna pull out everything, just do a whole little unboxing, unbagging, and show you guys like everything that I got. So let's get into it. So tired, y'all. Okay, so everything basically comes in little baggies like it would for Shein. So everything like came in little baggies. Still have more, right? And I think I'm missing something. Oh, never mind. I'm not missing anything. It was just hiding from me. So I guess I'll start with this. The first thing that I got was some sunglasses. I'm gonna include like, you know, a picture and price with everything. I just don't have it on hand right now. I'll do better for the next one. I'll prep better for my next review. But for this one, Jesus, if I can get it open, it's not the bag's fault. It's really just me and these nails. Let me get all this off. I probably have like 3 of these glasses that look like exactly the same, but I don't have them in green. So here's my pair in green. Oop. So I like them. I like them. I like them. It's a little different. Like this. I like this a lot. I really like them. Y'all see? You see me? Next thing I got were these pants. And everything is a size small. I'm an itty bitty a little bit. So I got these pants. Yeah, and they feel nice. They're a little thin. Mainly, I think because they're like for spring, summer. That's really what I got them for. I'm not gonna wear them now, but so yeah, they're very soft. I like the material. They're very soft. So I can't wait to try these on. Let me just sit these right here. The next thing I got was this little white shirt. It's like a little crop top. I don't really know if I like the quality of this shirt. It gives like bed linen. Like, that's what it feels like. It feels like sheets, but not the good sheets. You guys get it. It feels like sheets. So this is this top Remember, everything's in a size small. And yeah, so the next thing I got, I think this might be like my favorite piece that I got. Hopefully it fits. But I got this denim corset top, right? So hold on, which way it go? Hold on, which way is up, which way is down? oh, I think this is, no, this is down. This is up. So here's the top. I looking at it and I think it might be a little bit too big. This is also in a size small. I don't think they had an extra small in this, but we finna see. We gonna see. This is, yeah, this is a size small. Is it? Is it? Yeah, it's a size small. So everything size small. This is the top of the shirt. I don't know, it might fit, but this is really like the favorite thing that I got. It's like a little denim corset. Really like it. It's kind of thin, but I don't think I would want like a really thick denim, you know. Yeah. The next thing I got was a crop, like asymmetrical turtleneck, right? So here's the turtle part, turtleneck part, and then yeah, this is like it. I don't know, everything just feels, it's not thick. It's not a thick sweater. Like online it looks like maybe it would be thicker than this, and I hope this is not this is the outside. So yeah, but I mean it's the inside of the turtleneck, but you still see like the seam or whatnot. So I don't know how I feel about that. If you know me, you know I love some leather pants, and then they have like a little thong strap on them, so I'm excited about that. So I'm excited to try these on. Yeah, so love me some leather pants. These, yeah, everything's like not really like thick at all, but we're still gonna try everything on. Just keep that in mind. The last thing, I think this might be like one of my other favorites I got, was this skirt. Isn't it so cute? Isn't it so cute? Yeah. So yeah, I really like this skirt. I really like the design. I think it's really freaking cute. And yes, this is in a size small too, or is this in a, this is an extra small. Yeah, I wanted to get an extra small because, you know, I feel like skirts always look better when they're a little bit too small. So yeah, this is an extra small. And then, I don't know, let's go ahead and try this stuff on and finish up this review. That was the end of the try on haul. Don't mind me, I just didn't feel like putting back on all those clothes. I just, you know, put my sweater back on. But yeah, that's the end of the Micas try on haul / review. So for quality, I'm going to give them a 1. So for quality, I'm going to give them a 1 out of 2, just because I didn't like the loose threads, and then the fact that everything was just like a little thin, but I guess like you get what you pay for kind of thing. I did like a 1 out of 2, just because like everything was like a little thin, too thin for my liking. I just wanted like something to be like a little bit thicker. The thickest thing that was there was like the skirt. Also the pants aren't like tall girl friendly, you know what I mean? Out of 10, Micah gets a, drum roll please, 6. So they got a 6 out of 10 from me. So yeah, so it's mid. I don't know if I would buy anything from here again. The clothes are really cute, but like everything else just pretty much like fell short. I kind of was left, you know, a little disappointed. But you know, that's what I'm here for. I'm trying it so you guys don't have to. But yeah, I don't know. So yeah, it has a 6 out of 10. I kind of feel bad. I kind of feel bad for giving them a 6 out of 10. It's just mid. It's just mid, but you get what you pay for. But I honestly expected a little bit better. I expected better. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna end it off by saying that I just expected better. So hopefully my next review, I don't really know what that one is gonna be yet. I'm still deciding, but hopefully for my next review, like things go a little bit better. But if you did like this review, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like it, and then comment what you thought your favorite piece was. Yeah, just, you know, like the video and comment what you thought your favorite piece was. Like honestly, I will like have everything like linked in the description box if you wanted to take a look at their website, as well as like the single pieces. I would just have everything linked, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that together now right after I get done with this video. And I don't know, I think it's time for me to go. So I hope you enjoy your night, morning, or whenever you're watching this. And as always, love Joe.